If you're thinking about buying an electric car, we can still take care of your motoring needs. Typically electric cars are much cheaper to service, there's less components to replace and they're very reliable. We have 6 fully trained hybrid technicians. We have 2 charging points. We always aim to get your car fully charged when you pick it up after we've done an MOT or service. We can do everything for your electric car, from basic servicing to high voltage component replacement. Everything's carried out by qualified technicians to a very high standard.